Reflecting on my experience with the EFT, I would strongly recommend it for anybody who is serious about life, who want to clear any blockage at all. It's just a simple technique that you can take into life, in all aspects of your life, whether it's exams with the kids or teething problems, to pre-wedding gestures. I've dealt with a couple of brides right here. Within 2 minutes, her nervousness went from 8 to a 5, and she was ready to go in for that photo session. And it's just so effective. It's just so effective. And you can use that technique, reducing that headache, driving on the car, and anything that you can imagine, from trivial things that you may think are trivial, from a simple headache, to much more. Could be trauma, previous trauma, accidents, grief. I've had a major breakthrough in consolidating all my life's grief, major traumas, and it's not just coming to terms, it's actually learning what it gave me. Everybody has a choice. And there's also a choice in order to do EFT. So it's wonderful.